Hello mommies, welcome to Geese World. Today I am going to share some food gain or healthy foods for babies and kids. Yes, and this video is going to be important for new mommies and moms to be. See, if your baby is healthy from inside, then only they will play physical activities. They are able to do physical activities and they will enjoy also, and they will become more active, right? So, and if they are not eating anything, then, or if they are eating only junk food, chips, burger, pizza, Maggie, noodles, these etc etc, this is very bad for their health. And especially in this pandemic, please avoid these foods to your baby, please. I'm really requesting all of you parents, because nowadays I saw so many cases, kids are getting sick. And that's only I want to say, that please take care of yourself also and your kids also. Okay, so shall we start this video? Okay, today I'm going to share some food tips which includes minerals, vitamins, weight gain, fats, etc. So my number one food is breast milk. Yes, breast milk is the best source of the babies and for the kids of the age of 1.5 or 2. You can continue it till 2 years. There is no harm in it. Even I shared a video regarding this topic, breastfeeding, right? You can watch it. I will share the link in the description box also. Okay, so my first food is breast milk. It is the best source of to improve their immunity. And after 6 months, when your child is on semi solid, you start a semi solid for your child, then it's okay, you can continue breast milk along with semi solids, right? Okay, number 2 is banana. Banana, as you all aware, that it is a very good source of. Okay, number 2 is banana. Banana, it can be introduced after 6 months of age. A fruit loaded with vitamins, minerals, calories, which require gain weight in kids. And banana, you can give them, you can start it after 1 year or after 6 months also. And you can continue with banana till the age of 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Because banana is a very good source for vitamin A. It is good in taste and babies can have it after 6 months also, as it is so soft, right? And number 3 is sweet potato. It is rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, lots of vitamins, coppers and other important nutrition. It can be given as a puree to the baby. For toddlers, you can prepare it with milk or khichdi. Like if your kid is 4 to 5 years old, so you can just mix it with khichdi or any any food which they are liking to, so that they can easily have it and enjoy it. Number 4 is ghee. Yes, ghee, we all know our elders are so fond of it, right? Because they know the importance of this food or this item, you can say. We all know importance of this product, right? We can start it babies after 8 months only. But if you are going to make a homemade ghee, that will be a best option for the kids. I used to make at my home, and it will definitely is much better than the that packed one which we are buying from the shops, right? Number 5, eggs. Best source of protein. See, if you are not having eggs, it's okay, but please try to introduce to your baby, because it is very important. Okay, and if still you don't want to give it, then it's okay, you can exchange it with paneer. Paneer is also a very good product, which is my next list down item, which I am going to share some benefits of that also. You can start egg yolk first and after that egg white, right? And please introduce only when your child is 1 year old. not before that. After eggs, last but not the least is dairy products, right? Dairy products like milk, curd, cheese, etc. or lots of these have lots of fats in it, which are so good to for weight gain in kids. You can introduce this after 12 months. Same thing, dairy products and eggs, these two products always start when you if your baby is 1 year old, right? So mommies, I hope you like this video, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Till the time, stay happy, stay safe, stay home.